In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use this product, which is called Erase a Hole, which is some spackling in case you have some holes into your drywall. Don't try using this product if your hole is bigger than 3/4 of an inch. You'll probably need something more heavy duty than this thing. But for small holes like this one I have over there, it will be fine. So let's get started. Let's start by removing the cap. Just turn it counterclockwise. And now there's a seal here. You'll have to remove it. Like so. Now take the bottom of this tube and turn it clockwise. This will push the spackling up, like you see. You don't need a lot, by the way. Even what you just see there is a bit too much for this kind of project, so you don't need to turn it much. Before applying, make sure that the hole there is flush with the wall. What I mean is there's nothing extruding from the hole. If when you touch it you feel that it's actually not flat, just take some sandpaper and just do some really light sanding just to make everything level. When you're done, just dust off any debris that may have been stuck on the wall. Finally, take the tube and press it against the wall. I'll show you closer here. And when you're ready, you don't need to press very hard. You just need to make a circular motion like this. Okay? Do it during a few seconds and then stop. And check what you just did. As you can see, the hole is already filled, but I'll just add a bit more. Okay, I even put a bit too much here just to show you how it looks. Now the hole is definitely filled, and as you can see, I didn't use much of this product, so it will be good for many more holes in the future. And if you didn't use it all like I did, just turn this bottom of the tube counterclock so that it comes back inside and doesn't dry out. And finally, don't forget to put the cap. Now, as it's saying here on the package, wipe the excess wet or dry with a damp sponge. I'll use this wet rag instead of a sponge. It does the same job. So what I'll do now is take all the excess and even try to reapply some like this. Just push it slightly inside to make sure that the hole is completely filled. And wipe everything at the end. Alright, it's supposed to stick if your rag is wet. The drying time, well, it will depend on the humidity and the temperature of the room. If you want to make sure that it's dry, well, just wait till the next day. And all you'll have to do is to paint the wall and you won't see the gray spackling. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. I think this product is working pretty well for a very light job like this, small holes. Don't forget to comment, to subscribe, and why not even give a like. See you in the next one.